I want to assume that you have a table that looks like this. You're given a data that looks like this and it have opening, this row is empty, this row is empty, you have a row that is empty, as you can see. So ideally we're supposed to do is to go here and then hold another one and then hold another one and probably right click and delete to mix it up, or I'm pressing Ctrl Z to return back, or you start one by one to like delete this, click on another row, delete it. So imagine if you have up to a table of 100,000 or you have a table of 1,000, how long are you going to do that? So simply this is the best way to get this done. The best way to get it done is when you have it like this, select or the whole this thing down to where it's, or you press Ctrl A and then press Ctrl G. Now when it comes here, go to special here and then you go to special, go to blank and click OK. So you see automatically you have this place. Now click OK. You can decide to do right click here and say delete, okay, which is only going to return back to you. It's only going to delete one. So in that case, all you need to do is press Ctrl G, G like good, G like general. When you press it, go to special. Now go to click on blank, because what you're looking at to select is the blank. When you select it up here, you see that, sorry, my bad. So first and foremost, select it. So I can do Ctrl A to select, press Ctrl G, go to special, go to blank, and then click OK. You see automatically the rows that are blank are selected. You see it. So you can press Ctrl minus and you can see say delete the entire row, and that is going to merge this back to you. Let me repeat. I'm going back here. So what I did, I press Ctrl A. See, press Ctrl A to select all, and I press Ctrl G, that is to go to special. Go to special as go to, I'll go to special, and then I'll go to blank. When I click on blank, remember I didn't say you should go here and click right click here because it might merge up. Just press Ctrl minus, that is Ctrl minus dash on your keyboard. It will bring delete, and when you bring delete, click on entire row here and then you click OK. And once you do that, that's going to remove the rest of the table that are in this order. So that's how you play. You delete the blank row in Excel in case you have such kind of